Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain.
We're really happy you're here with us today because we're talking about something powerful, your goals for 2026.
Today's topic is how to talk about 2026 goals in English.
So you can practice English and also think clearly about your life this year.
If you want 2026 to be better than last year, stay with us until the end.
Today you'll learn 5 useful phrases for talking about your 2026 goals in English. Repeat after us and use them in real life.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with real conversations, please like this video now.
And subscribe to the English Brain so you don't miss our weekly podcast lessons. Your support really helps this channel grow.
Let's start with a simple question for you listening right now.
When you think about 2026, do you feel excited, scared, or maybe a little confused?
Many people say, "This year I will change my life," but they don't have a clear plan.
Some people are afraid to even say their goals because they don't want to fail again.
This episode is not about perfect goals.
It's about real goals, in real life, using real English.
We'll help you talk about your goals in a simple way.
So maybe, step by step, you can also reach them.
Let's go to our first topic.
This topic is powerful because it gives your year a clear direction.
If you can say your main goal in one simple sentence, your brain starts to focus.
It's like putting a title on your year.
Our first topic is how to say your main goal for 2026.
Here is phrase 1. My main goal for 2026 is to,
You just add your goal.
for example, my main goal for 2026 is to improve my English.
Or, my main goal for 2026 is to get a new job.
Or, my main goal for 2026 is to take better care of my health.
Let's make a short conversation. So, what's your main goal for 2026?
My main goal for 2026 is to improve my health.
That's a great goal.
Thanks. What about you?
My main goal for 2026 is to grow the English brain and help more students.
I like that.
Now, you, listening, think of one big thing.
Repeat after us. My main goal for 2026 is to
My main goal for 2026 is to.
say your real goal, even if it feels a little scary.
Now, let's move to the second topic.
This one's important because a goal without a plan is just a wish.
Many people stop at "I want to" and never think about "how will I."
So we need language for small actions and steps.
Our second topic is how to talk about your plan,
Here is phrase 2. I'm planning to.
meaning you talk about the actions you want to take this year.
For example, I'm planning to study English for 20 minutes every day.
Or, I'm planning to save a little money every month.
Or, I'm planning to walk for 30 minutes every evening.
Let's hear a short dialogue. My main goal for 2026 is to get fit.
Nice. How are you going to do that?
I'm planning to go to the gym 3 times a week.
That's a good plan. And what about your English?
I'm planning to listen to English for at least 10 minutes every day.
Now repeat after us. I'm planning to.
I'm planning to.
Add one action for your goal. I'm planning to.
Let's go to the third topic.
This topic makes your goal more real and more concrete.
When a goal is too general, your brain doesn't know what success looks like.
So we need to say when and what.
Our third topic is how to be specific about your goal,
Here is phrase 3. By the end of 2026, I want to.
meaning you describe what you want to achieve before the year finishes.
For example, by the end of 2026, I want to speak English more confidently.
Or, by the end of 2026, I want to read one English book without a dictionary.
Or, by the end of 2026, I want to lose 5 kilos in a healthy way.
Let's listen to a conversation. My main goal for 2026 is to improve my English.
That's great. How will you know that you improved?
By the end of 2026, I want to watch English movies without subtitles.
Nice. That's a clear target.
And you?
By the end of 2026, I want to have a new job in a different city.
That's exciting.
A little scary too, but exciting.
Now, repeat after us.
By the end of 2026, I want to.
By the end of 2026, I want to.
Picture it in your mind as you say it,
Our fourth topic is about reality.
because in real life, goals are not always easy.
There will be days when you are tired, busy, or just not in the mood.
If you think your goal must be perfect, you might quit very fast.
So we need a phrase for honest, gentle motivation.
Our fourth topic is how to talk about challenges and stay positive.
Here is phrase 4. It won't be easy, but I'm going to try.
Meaning, you understand that the goal is hard, but you're still committed.
For example, it won't be easy, but I'm going to try to wake up earlier.
Or, it won't be easy, but I'm going to try to speak English more often.
Let's listen to a short dialogue. My main goal for 2026 is to start my own small business.
Wow, that's a big goal.
I know, it won't be easy, but I'm going to try.
I respect that. Big dreams need courage.
And what about your English goal?
It won't be easy, but I'm going to try to talk to someone in English every week.
Now, repeat after us.
It won't be easy, but I'm going to try.
It won't be easy, but I'm going to try.
This phrase is like a small friend in your head when you feel tired.
Our fifth topic is about being kind to yourself.
Many people think, if I fail one time, I must stop.
For example, they miss 3 days of study and then they say, okay, I failed, maybe next year.
But real success is not a straight line. It's trying, failing, and trying again.
So we need a phrase to help you continue even when your first plan doesn't work.
Our fifth topic is how to be flexible and kind with your 2026 goals.
Here's phrase 5. If it doesn't work, I'll try a different way.
Meaning, you don't quit, you change the method.
For example, if studying at night doesn't work, I'll try a different way and study in the morning.
Or, if going to the gym doesn't work, I'll try a different way and do home workouts.
Let's hear a conversation. I'm planning to study English 1 hour every night.
That sounds good, but what if you're very tired after work?
Good point. If it doesn't work, I'll try a different way and study 30 minutes in the morning.
That's smart. You're changing the plan, not the goal.
And you?
I want to meditate every day. If it doesn't work in the morning, I'll try a different way and do it before bed.
Now, repeat after us.
If it doesn't work, I'll try a different way.
If it doesn't work, I'll try a different way.
This sentence protects you from giving up too early.
Now, let's put all 5 phrases together in one natural conversation about 2026 goals.
Listen carefully and try to hear each phrase.
So, what's your main goal for 2026?
My main goal for 2026 is to improve my English.
Nice. How are you going to do that?
I'm planning to study a little every day, not just once a week.
That's a good plan.
By the end of 2026, I want to feel comfortable speaking with native speakers.
That's a great target.
I know it won't be easy, but I'm going to try.
And if your first plan doesn't work?
If it doesn't work, I'll try a different way. Maybe I'll join an online speaking group.
I like that. You're serious but also flexible.
Yes. What about you? What's your main goal for 2026?
My main goal for 2026 is to take better care of my health.
Great goal.
I'm planning to walk every morning and drink more water.
By the end of 2026, what do you want to see?
By the end of 2026, I want to feel stronger and have more energy.
It won't be easy, but you're going to try.
Exactly. And if my plan doesn't work, I'll try a different way.
That's the mindset that changes a year.
Okay, quick recap. Today, you learned 5 useful phrases for talking about your 2026 goals in English. My main goal for 2026 is to, I'm planning to, by the end of 2026, I want to, it won't be easy, but I'm going to try. And if it doesn't work, I'll try a different way.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, write 3 sentences. One with, my main goal for 2026 is to.
One with, by the end of 2026, I want to, and one with, I'm planning to.
Share your real goals. Don't worry if they feel small or big. They're important because they are yours.
Reading your comments gives us ideas for new episodes and helps other learners feel less alone with their goals.
If this episode helped you think about your 2026 goals and practice English, please like this video right now.
And subscribe to The English Brain for more easy English podcast practice every week. Remember, 2026 will not change by magic. It changes when you take small actions again and again.
It was nice talking to you. Share your goals in the comments and see you in the next episode.